Hello everyone. In this video we will study important current affairs. Where has Prithvi 2 been successfully tested recently? So Prithvi 2 has been successfully tested recently in Odisha. Recently, who has become Prime Minister of New Zealand again? So Jacinda Ardern has become new Prime Minister of New Zealand. Recently, which country's fast bowler Umar Gul has announced to retire from all formats of cricket? So Pakistan. Who has recently become the first Indian woman to win the 2020 Wildlife Photographer Award? So Aishwarya Sridhar. Recently, which ministry has launched Operation Green? Ministry of Food Processing. Recently, who wrote the book The Battle of Belonging? The Battle of Belonging is written by Shashi Tharoor. Recently, who has been elected as the president of IBA? Raj Kiran Roy. Recently, which state has started Mission Shakti program? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, which state UT has started My Town, My Pride campaign? Jammu Kashmir. Who has recently become the Director General of the International Weightlifting Federation? So, Director General of International Weightlifting Federation is Michael Irani. Next current affairs are: how long does the Indian government aim to make India trans fat free 2022? Which country's president Soronbay Jeenbekov has resigned? Kyrgyzstan. In which country was the summit of ASEAN Justice Minister held in India? The PM has dedicated 17 varieties of highly nutritious crops to the nation of how many crops? 8. The PM has dedicated 17 varieties of highly nutritious crops to the nation of how many crops? So it is 8. What was the name of India's first Oscar award winner who has died recently? Bhanu Athaiya. In which state Mahakavi Achyutan Nambudari has passed away? Kerala. World Food Day is celebrated on 16th of October. Which state government has decided to open a women's help desk in every police station in the state? UP. Where has red light on Gari off campaign started to tackle air pollution? Delhi. So Delhi, where has red light on Gari off campaign has been started. Which state started the Wash and Stop Corona campaign? UP. What is the position of India in the countries most affected by ongoing climate disaster? 3rd. Who has been appointed as permanent representative of India by UNESCO? Vishal B. Sharma. NTPC CMD term has been extended till 2025. What is his name? Gurdeep Singh. Okay. Now, these are the important current affairs. Thank you.